Hey, so if you're getting solo ad traffic and you've been trying to build your business online, I'm going to let you know two garbage traffic sources that the gurus tell you to go and buy traffic from that's going to leave you in the hole when it comes to buying traffic. Now, a lot of the gurus aren't going to like me for doing this video, but I don't care. Because it's all about you and it's all about getting you results and it's all about helping you to win, right? And they're going to tell you that you need a traffic authority account and that you need to get programs like MyLeadGen Secret and have like 5 accounts and be spending a bunch of money on these accounts to be able to get these leads, to be able to get them to a funnel. And I'm going to tell you that's not what you need to do. That's not what's going to get you results. What's going to get you results is building your email list and using your email list as the hub to everything else that you're doing. So your email list is an asset, but you want to have quality leads and quality people on that list to be able to help you to make sales and boost your other content. So if you're not doing YouTube videos, if you're not connecting with people on Facebook, then you're going to have a hard time with just solo ad traffic alone. And I'm telling you that as a solo ad provider, somebody who provides people with traffic. I tell them all the time that if you're in Traffic Authority and if you're in MyLeadGen Secret, you're wasting your money, you're wasting your time, and you're just getting these gurus a bunch of money, right? So they're getting affiliate commissions. That's why they tell you to sign up for these things, because they are selling you a process. And the process, it benefits them, right? It doesn't really benefit you when you buy, traffic from here. This is traffic that's overpriced, and it's overpriced because they have an affiliate service, which means they give commissions to affiliates who promote this traffic. So the truth of the matter is, they don't care if you get results or not. They get their affiliate commission, and you may make a sale or two or a couple of sales from this, garbage traffic or whatever. You may make sales from it, right? Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that you won't make sales from it. Just what I'm saying is it's overpriced, and what they're telling you to do is actually hurting you more than it is helping you to make money online, right? So these, traffic packages are overpriced, as you can see right here. It goes all the way up past $1, and this traffic is not any better than any other solo ad traffic. It's not any better. The reason why it's priced so high is because they have to pay affiliates. So when you have an affiliate program, is what it actually does is it increases your price on the traffic, right? Because you got to pay your affiliates out. So this traffic is actually, garbage traffic, and it's no better than if you would go on to a site like Udemy, or if you would get traffic from Facebook from Solo Ads X. Now, I suggest going to Facebook to actually go into Solo Ads X group, to where you could actually talk to vendors and you could actually pick one that actually fits well with you, rather than just giving your link to a solo ad vendor on Udemy, for example, where you never hear from them, you never actually get support and get help. That's why me, as a traffic provider, I don't sell on Udemy, right? Because I want to be able to talk to the people that buy from me. And this right here is another garbage traffic source that big gurus are telling you to go and create 5 or 10 accounts and be able to use that traffic to make sales. But the truth of the matter is, you're going to be spending more money on this garbage than it's actually worth, than you're actually making money with. And just sending traffic to a funnel alone, that's not what's actually going to make you wealthy, right? Sending traffic without doing YouTube videos, without connecting with people on Facebook, it's not going to work out well for you. These people that are telling you to buy these programs and things like that, they already know this secrets to actually get conversions, and they have bonuses, they have followings, so they just get their people to buy whatever they tell them to buy. They make the commissions, and then they show their results of their thousands of dollars that they've made in these programs, and that's because they already have a following. They have bonuses to get people to sign up for this junk, and this is how they actually make money. They don't actually make money from using these programs. They make money from YouTube, creating a video series, giving you a step-by-step process, and preying on you just being not competent to understand traffic, and following their every move because they're making money. Now, as somebody who is a very I consider myself to have very good morals and very good ethics. I'm going to tell you, do not waste your time with either of these programs. Traffic Authority and MyLeadGen Secrets is nothing but junk, and you're going to be wasting your money, and you're going to be spinning your wheels thinking that all this stuff is going to get you results. If you really want to get results with high quality traffic, I'd highly suggest coming over here to ProfitBuildersTraffic.com and looking at my page, looking at these reviews that I have on this page, and connecting with me on Facebook, because when you get a traffic package from me, I'm going to actually help you to get results and work with you hands-on to where none of these other people will. They just want you to buy their programs, and basically anybody who's buying traffic and isn't aware of how to do it properly, they're blowing their money, and their money's going down the drain. So I would highly suggest looking at this page. My goal is to make sure that you get highly targeted traffic to your offers that you're promoting, and make sure that your page and your copy is right for your offer. And then you want to make sure that the traffic source is right that you're buying from. Now, if you're getting the crap traffic from MyLeadGen Secret or Traffic Authority, you're blowing your money, and it's going down the drain. And when they sell you these processes to do these things, they're just making money from you. And then when you try to reach out to them, they're rarely going to respond to you or rarely give you the real source that's going to help you to make money. And that's actually learning your skills as a marketer. Now, there's no such thing as a push-button funnel. So I know there's marketers out here who have these funnels that tell you to use these funnels, and you're going to make all this money, and it just does not happen. So I'm going to tell you right now that these people are lying to you just to make commissions, and that's not ethical marketing. And is what I want to do is I want to actually help you to build your list with quality sources. My traffic comes from a variety of different sources, including YouTube, Facebook, Google, and Bing PPC, banner ads, WordPress solo ads, and CPA marketing. And my goal is to actually help you to set up and manage your offers. And I'm going to help you get the highest conversions with your offers. My conversions are as high as 88% opt-in rate as of now. I know this says 85%, right? But it's at 88%. That's the highest that I've ever got people. And I want to help you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates. Now, that's very important to know that stuff. These marketers aren't going to tell you that, right? They just tell you to go and buy traffic, and then go and buy more traffic, and then go and buy more traffic. But they don't teach you how to actually track your stats and know those stats, so you know that the traffic you're getting is actually, quality traffic and not garbage. Now, I'm going to tell you firsthand, Traffic Authority and MyLeadGen Secrets is nothing but pure trash, and it really upsets me. So it may be coming across in this video. It highly upsets me that these marketers, give people this trash and tell them to sign up for the trash. I don't like it at all. I'm all about helping people, serving people, and I want to see people win. And I want to help you to build your list with the most highly engaged people that actually want to be on your list. So when you come over here and you get, traffic from me, here's how it works in 3 simple steps. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to select a traffic package below. Then you have the option to set up a call with me, which is highly suggested. And I review your campaign. I help you to get results. And we're going to set up a call live so I can actually go through your campaign. And then we do the campaign launch normally within 72 hours or less, depending on when you book the call with me. It'll start right after the call. So here's some of the results that you can get when you actually get traffic from me. You can see right here, 70% for sales, 79% 15. Here's some of these things. 67% sales, 60% sales, and it keeps going on and on. So you can check that out for yourself. And then here's the packages. So you just pick either 90 or 100% T1. And then here's some of the questions that people ask, so you may want to review this as well. And, some of your questions are in there. My guarantee to you is that I give you 100% real traffic, no fake clicks, real traffic. And if you have any problems with your traffic, you can write me a message. I cannot give you a refund on your traffic, but what I can do is compensate you in traffic. So if you have any issues with your order, I will compensate you in traffic. So if you have any questions, leave a message down here or connect with me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta. I have links in the description, so you're going to want to go to those links in the description to actually get to this page and get your traffic package today. Also, connect with me on Facebook. I have a Facebook group that you could get into where I give tips, tricks, and training on how to increase your business, how to increase your sales. And I'm here to support you. I'm here to really support you, not just say it. I don't want you to buy a bunch of shit that you don't need. It's just pointless. And Traffic Authority and MyLeadGen Secrets is nothing but garbage traffic. So make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And I'm happy to help. So make sure you reach out to me. All right? Bye for now.